we remove the last connecting stroke. Therefore, A is just a big circle. Okay, so it's a big circle. Then letter B, we remove some of the main parts there, and this one, we remove this, okay, and some other parts there. Everything is removed except the left curve here. So letter B is written in full height, and the curve is located at the left side. So it is a downward stroke and written in full height. Okay, so when we say downward, it should be from top line of writing going to bottom. So it's a downward stroke written full height. Okay, then letter C, we just change the direction and remove some parts here a little bit. Okay, little part of letter C, and then we change the direction. So letter C is written forward. All right. Then letter D, we remove the hole here and the last connecting stroke. So letter D now is just a slanting upward straight line. Slanting upward straight line. Let me refine my stroke. Okay, so upward, it's written from the bottom line of writing going up. And it's a straight line, a little bit slanting. Then letter E, we remove the last or the two connecting strokes there. So now letter E is the extreme opposite of letter A. A is a big circle. We remove the last connecting stroke here. That's why it's just a big circle. And E, we remove the two connecting strokes. So is a big, uh, E is a small circle rather. Again, E is a small circle, extremely opposite than letter A. All right. Then letter F. F is a simple stroke, a downward stroke also. Same with letter B, a downward stroke. However, we remove some parts here and only this part is retained. Okay, so now how do we write F? It is just half half of the whole space here. It's just half and it is written downward. Again, written downward. Okay, so the curve is located at the right side. Again, it's written downward. Okay, let's make it perfect. Okay, so we are done with A, B, C, D, E, F. For letter G, I already introduced this to you last time. So what happened from this long hand stroke, we omitted the main body part. And the remaining is the stroke for shorthand. And now letter G is written as this one. A forward stroke, which is let me refine my stroke. It's a forward stroke, okay, which is 3 times longer than letter C or K. It's a forward stroke. So let me write it again. Okay, so there we go.